Alright, so we got crawl mode engaged because I just stalled on a fucking very steep incline. We got stuck back there on that incline, so I switched it to crawl mode. So the Bronco has a crawl mode where it puts the gear ratio ridiculously low, I guess. And it'll take you up any fucking hill or fucking mountain or cliffside that you get stuck on. We're on that 6 kilometers an hour at 1500 RPM. Nice little... I think we can take off crawl mode now. Bronco goes, holy fuck. There's the fucking highway that I came in on. What a fucking trip, man. Highway 40, Wipers. Like nobody else is coming my way. Thankfully. Oh shit, I got cell phone signal now. Look at that fucking trail. Jesus. So this is my first time out off-roading in a legitimate place. first time with the Bronco. Normally I would go out in my old 96 F-150, Old Red I call them. And between Old Red and this, I had a 2016 GMC Sierra Elevation. I like that a lot. That was a lot of fun to go plowing through snow with. But I traded it in to get the Bronco. So this is my first time on, I believe it's called Wipers Trails or Lost Knife Trails. And the Bronco's treating me good. I'm not treating myself good, but the Bronco's treating me good. And that hill right there, I don't know if you can see it, I'm just using my shitty phone. Right there looks loads of fun. I don't know if that's where we're going, but today we're fucking going. It is 1:09 p.m. And I am by myself. I don't have a winch. I don't have... Well, I got a jack if I get a flat tire. I got a spare tire and all that, but I only got what Ford gave me. And what everybody learned in automotive school. This place looks like it's loads of fun. And it is loads of fun. I can feel my heart rate is constantly up going through these trails. Sorry for the wind noise, but it's a lot better of a view. So far this trail, or this little spot of the trail, has been 6 degrees downhill. And 8, and now we're coming out at trail marker. I have no idea how this works. Whew, the smell of that clutch stinks. Let's go for a little drive up the road, see what happens. Put it back in too high.